the buttons up on your shirt. 50 hours a week, you're being treated like dirt no more. And they don't know what you're worth, oh no. They don't know what you're worth. People so hard to please, you're living life on your knees. And now they're telling you things that you start to believe, oh no. But you'll always be free, you know. You know you'll always be free. Don't you worry no more. Leave your bags at the door. Gonna drink until it's done. So what, we are. Don't you worry no more. Leave it all on the floor. Gonna smoke until we're done. So what, we are.
We're gonna be in Chicago for just a couple nights. I have a friend's wedding to go to tomorrow, which we're super excited about. And so today we're just gonna walk around and see what we can get into. It's not too much of a planned out trip, so.
See how far we can go without cars or transportation.
Yeah.
Which is a ways in Chicago.
Yes. From our hotel room I saw there was some
McDonald's open arches.
and we walked over to it, and this is like the coolest McDonald's ever.
Gonna smoke until we're done. So what, we are. So take a break from the times, no more trying to survive. Forget all your worries and take advantage of life you want. Now you're feeling alive, you know. Now you're feeling alive. Don't you worry no more. Leave your bags at the door. Gonna drink until it's done. So what, we are. Don't you worry no more. Leave it all on the floor. Gonna smoke until we're done. So what, we are. So what, we are. So what, we are. So
We have wrapped up our day in downtown Chicago, and we are heading to McHenry, or Woodstock.
Suburb of Chicago.
Yep. Is good when it's in selfie mode.
It's a lower resolution camera on the front side. Yeah, way lower res. It was like a 720 camera on the front.
And also, like when it's in picture,
and
it looks good. But then once I click into video,
it always zooms in.
Which is right now,
It'll
actually.
always zoom in just a tiny bit.
Yeah.
You can pan to try and